see this? This screw just popped out. How much did I pay for the service? Extra fuel carrying on the Tiger 800. Hello people, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today is the 29th of May 2023. I should really get along with those dates or check that out. The time is 4:30 in the morning. I am heading to Chennai, as you have seen in the title description part. I'm going for the first periodic, my first periodic maintenance with the Tiger 800. So it has reached 20,000 kilometers. It was serviced in 2022 in May. It is May 2023. So I decided when I get that done, my backpack is ready. I plan to leave start at 4:30. I'm pretty much on time today. So this is backpack, gloves, helmet, no riding gear. We'll talk as we ride. I had the motorcycle fueled, tire pressure checked. I did schedule an appointment with them, so things get, it's quick and easy, no surprises, nothing much in the backpack. It's just one pair of clothes and some essentials for the camera as well. Once I reach Chennai, I won't be needing this coat, so to keep all this stuff, I'm just carrying the backpack with me. The pair of clothes is for just in case I might have to stay back if there is some delay in the service. That is, if there is some extra job basically, apart from the periodic maintenance part. So if they're not able to deliver by today evening, then I might have to stay back and collect the bike the next day. By the end of the day, I will share the final bill with you, so stay tuned. This is going to be a ritual once every year, as I didn't have a pleasant experience with the Triumph Service Center here at Bangalore. I ride to Chennai. My appointment is at 9 a.m. in the morning. So once I reach there, they just can't start working on the motorcycle. The vehicle has to cool down for them to start working. So that will take a while. That is the reason I'm leaving this early in the morning. I'll go there, leave the motorcycle. They'll take their time, and hopefully it is delivered by the end of the day, so I can ride back to Bangalore. In less than 30 minutes, we're here at the border. Imagine starting at 7 in the morning, this same journey, not 7, imagine starting by 9. This same journey would take me close to about an hour and a half at times. Most of all, I think this was going crazy. For periodic maintenance, also you go to Chennai, then why you own this bike? Don't worry, people at home also think I'm gone nuts. It's just that putting in extra effort to get the job done right. Nothing else. And a reason to ride. The time is 5:51. I've done about 130 kilometers. Lovely sunrise behind me, and we have a problem. Not with the motorcycle, but with the helmet. It is not something that happens normally, but you see this screw just popped out. I don't know, it was loose or due to vibrations, just popped out and it's all shaky all of a sudden. Just flew away. So I think I'll remove the other screw, put the visor in the backpack, and we'll continue. keeping it. So there it is. The sun is just peeking out of that coconut grove there. I didn't close the visor completely. I had left it just one step above the lock. And all of a sudden, boom, it started shaking. I was like wondering why. So the time is 4:15. My hair is a little messy. No mind. I was here at 9:30, dropped the bike off. I sat here, had a coffee until 11:30. I went to Power Sports International, but couldn't find that screw and the clip because this is a fairly new helmet and there are no spares available apart from the visor. As I was walking past that shop, I found another helmet dealer, multi-brand, including the local stuff and all that. So I went to him, asked for 2 screws, and he said, I will fix this and give it to you. He got it fixed in 2 minutes. I paid 60 rupees and walked out. It was hot, killer hot, Chennai. So I went to Satyam Cinemas, watched a movie, came back by 3:45, freshened up, and I'm sitting here. The bike is almost ready. So once I get the bike, we'll head to Bangalore. That is the plan currently. Hope things go as planned. The weather is very unpredictable because in the evenings it has been raining here in Chennai. It's 1:49, 30th of May. Yesterday I received the motorcycle, started from Chennai at around 5:30 in the evening. Crazy traffic. I started the ride. It was anyway dark. There was no scenic route. It's the same old highway. So I just came home by, I had dinner, I came home by 11:15 was there. The main reason about continuing this video is to answer the burning question. How much did I pay for the service? That is here on this mobile phone. No hard copies, only soft copies. The labor cost for service charge is 6,490, and what was done in this service, that is 20,000 kilometers. I don't know about the duration. I gave it because it had reached 20,000 kilometers. So they had replaced the air filter, the engine oil, the oil filter, and a washer sealing, whatever. So that was all the spares, because I already got that coolant flushing done, which is supposed to be done in 3 years once time, I think, if I'm not wrong. And the brake pads were already replaced. That's it. That was 6,650.67. So the labor amount was 6,490 and the spares amount was 6,650. Altogether 13,140.68. That is our bill. So for the next 10,000 kilometers, I don't have to worry much. There is no findings. Everything is good. They've done the testing and all that stuff, which is generally done. So I think that answers your question. How much does it cost to get the general service done of the Tiger 800? And one more thing. This parcel arrived from Big Bad Bikes. I placed an order. This is not a paid promotion. This here is the solution I found for my extra fuel carrying on the Tiger 800. So previously on the Royal Enfield, I used to use this. Yeah, see, the sticker is still there. So I was carrying this on the rear, but I don't know, I didn't feel like mounting a can on the Tiger 800. So I went with this. Let's unbox it. Voila! Okay. We have something else also. But first, this is the Desert Fox Overland fuel cell with a capacity of 6 liters. So you see, got a lot of does and don'ts. I think it comes with this nozzle and the filler cap. Oh, it is sealed actually. I'll have to pull this open to start using it. It is a sealed cap. Sealed fuel cell. So this will go there and so lock there. This is to use when you require it. Nice storage compartment for that with velcro as well, so dust doesn't get in. All metal rings, about 1, 2, 3, 8 metal rings. Yeah, 8 metal rings, tie down strap. I think this will sort my fuel tension during long rides. Very portable, you can just fold it and I can just keep it. It's easy. But with this, when there is no fuel, this occupies a lot of space. So I have 2 options now. So that much for my. I'm still purchasing accessories non-stop. I think we have the bill. Yeah, when it comes to billing, this fuel cell costed me 8,700 rupees. Doesn't come cheap. I have a lot of stickers here as I requested them while I placed the order. I told them to send me a few stickers and they're very kind enough. They sent me quite a few stickers. Nice. That much for our generator servicing, fuel cell unboxing and stickers. That should do. So I think we'll finish this vlog here. So until the next one, take care and stay safe.